Hi, this is Mila and let's open up a mini brands Create Garden. Now, I've had a few gardens that I've opened. I mean, there was the bonsai tree and there's the other cactusy thing in the back. There was one vase that I opened, so I thought those were kind of more creative because, I mean, the bonsai tree was just stick it in and put a couple of drops of water. So it wasn't complicated at all. This one was also not complicated at all. The vase that I ended up making was pretty good, actually. You still had to pour water and decide how you wanted to arrange the flowers. So it was definitely better, but it wasn't very creative. Like usually, I mean, maybe I've gotten a bit used to the Harry Potter ones and the Disney snacks. They're more creative, I find. Okay, this is difficult to crack, and this is quite huge. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this is a longer water. Okay, there's the guide. It will be ignored as usual, and let's start opening. Let's see what we have. We have, ooh, okay. Ooh, it's a vase. Nice. Oh, there's quite a lot of stuff in here. Perfect. That's just how I like it. When there's things to do. Okay, this is to put the flowers in. See, this is more fun. There's like decisions to be made. Okay, there is a cactus naturally. Again, well, I guess it's a cactus. You can have more than one. Why is this sticking? You can have more than one that's like the same. Also, I don't know why, but I feel like I kept saying cactuses rather than cacti. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And this one is... Why is this like this? Oh my god, is this scented? Okay, let's see. That's pretty. Okay, I want to sniff it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells really good. Okay. Okay, but see, this is an actual Create I am already loving. Okay, actually, let's look at the guide. Okay, so I got an ultra rare. Nice. It's the one with the butterfly. Let's see how I'm supposed to assemble it. And I say supposed to because I may decide to do something different. Okay, so first of all, let's see, I have 4 of these and 2 white ones. Okay, I'll not be sticking anything on those, so I'll just put them aside right now. Okay, I know that this is for the butterfly. Just put the butterfly inside. This way I'll have a chance to put it on whichever flower I decide, although this way it's prettier. This smell? Yes, this smells as well. I think it's all scented. Okay, and I guess I'll alternate because there's not enough to alternate. So I'll do, I guess, 2 purple and a white in the middle. Because otherwise I won't have enough if I just wanted to do like white, purple, white, but then the rest would be all purple then. Which I guess is not the best of ideas because when you're putting it in, you kind of want to have a bit of variety among the flowers. There we go. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. I'm so excited. And I'm supposed to put all the decorations in this little thing. This way I can, whoop! This way I can set it and see how it looks. Okay, which way am I supposed to put it? I guess with the hole in, this way the water can go in. Or not. Okay, wait a second. Let's see if it goes in. It doesn't go in, so it's the hole down. Okay. So if I were to put the flowers here... Is there specific spots? It feels like there's specific spots. Okay, well, let's see. Maybe if I were to put a green one here. Let's just ignore the instructions and have fun. I'll just try alternating. Maybe that's what I'm supposed to do, but At least I'm deciding it on my own. Okay, like this. And then I'll just go with the bright green. And the dark one right here. Come on. And the other flowers. Oh, this is very voluptuous. Like, whoops, there's quite a lot going on. Like, it's not, and it's all very nicely in. I guess I'll turn this around because otherwise it looks weird. There we go. Like this. Wow, this is very, very full. And then, okay, I'm seeing the difficulty here. It does say to put it in, but like, let me think. Okay, so here's what I decided. If I were to put this first and then pour water on, there will statistically be bubbles around this or somewhere around the stems, and I will hate it to bits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of water at the bottom. This way, when I put this in, some of the liquid will come out, or at least this will stick better. I won't put a lot. And I will pour some on it as well. This way, when I insert it, like, it'll be able to come out. That's the plan. I hope I don't ruin it, but here we go. Again, I won't put very much. This is some of the water I have left from one of the other garden things, from actually the bonsai tree. No, did I not screw it in properly? I put it on the side. Of course I did. Okay, I'll go wipe it down. Attempt number 2. I'll try not to press as much just in case. And again, I won't put a ton, but just enough to have something. There we go. Why is it so electrostatic-y? Come on, you can do it. Oh, wait, can you see there? No, you cannot. Okay. Like this. And let's put some around the base here as well. Just very little. Okay. Okay, or not. This bottle's being very weird. There we go, so it's coming out. I will not ruin it. Okay, and now let's insert. Okay. Okay, it doesn't want to go in anymore. It always gets stuck, so let's use a toothpick. I think this is one of my biggest tips. You know how I was using a lot of Play-Doh? Well, now it's the toothpick era. Uh-oh. Does it not want to go in? Okay. Because of the water that I put in? Okay, gently. Okay. Okay. Boy, I tilted it a lot. Let's see if I can straighten it and push down. Okay. This doesn't seem to be working. Okay. Well, at least I didn't use any of its water. Let me restart. Okay, so I managed to shove it a bit more in. The flowers came out, then the flowers came back in. It was quite intense. So let me just cure the bottom before something has moved again. And then I will start adding water to like fill the vase. Whoops, seriously. Okay, there we go. Now that it is cured, the bottom is cured, I will start adding water. Okay, I left myself a little hole here. So I will gently start pouring water as deep in as I can. I'm trying to avoid putting in bubbles as much as I can. And I am going pretty slowly because I do want it to seep down. I don't want to coat the flowers or the like stems or anything like that. And I did put some of the other water before, so I'm assuming there will be extra water, is what I'm hoping. Okay, you can see it kind of joining the other layer. Good, good. Here I'm kind of nervous to put in some, but already running out of water? I hope not. It's a big bottle. It does depend on how full it is, but... And once I fill it, I will definitely make sure to wait. And make sure the bubbles come out. Oh, this side is starting to look very nice. Okay, this is not very full, so I'll just try adding over here some. It is starting to be a little bit difficult to, yeah, you can see that the bottle is starting to fill with air. Yeah, so here it's quite high, here it's quite low. I will help it even out a bit, but then I'll just let it sit and it should even out by itself, like without my intervention. I wonder how high I should, maybe just a little bit more, if I'm able. Okay, I am able. Make it nice and heavy because the flowers on top are pretty heavy. Okay, I will let it settle down. This way the bubbles as well can come to the top. Okay, so it's been a while. I no longer see any big bubbles inside, so I will cure it. I do love it from like a bunch of sides. Like, I think this is my favorite side. It looks so adorable. So I'll just let it cure and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so now that it's cured, I need to decide where to put the butterfly. And if I turn it around here, it looks kind of bulky, so I wouldn't want to add to it. Whoops. But here it is kind of relatively flat. So if I were to add the butterfly here on the white one, I think it'll be pretty. So let's do this. Come on. Okay. Not as obvious as I thought. Okay, there we go. Well, again, not as obvious as I thought. And let's push it back in. There we go. Let's fluff it up a bit. And here is a rare. It smells so good. It was fun to make. The only thing I would do differently is I wouldn't add that much liquid at the bottom. I still would add some, but a very thin layer. And I would turn the thing back around and put some in the hole in the middle, just as a, like, if I were to get this again, this is what I would do. But yeah, I would not mind getting this again. Maybe I'll put this on this side. Ooh, if I were to put it behind. It's fun because you can rearrange it. I don't know. Which way is better? I like it all the ways. It is just pretty. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!